Hey guys, it's Glen. If you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe. It goes a long way in helping me grow my channel. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. This is the Emergency Income Kit Members Hub review and bonus. Basically, this is pretty amazing. It's for, I don't even know what the price is on it. It's like $9 or something. I think it's $10, guys. You need to pick this up for $10. Okay, let's go back to, where am I? This is it here. Okay, so basically, Tom has partnered with Jonah. This guy's made millions and millions of dollars, guys, online, and basically, Tom has partnered with him to launch this product. And what it is 28 different methods to make money quickly, like really quick online, and it shows you where to go, and it shows you step by step on how to do those gigs. Now, the one thing is you have to understand is that the some of them only work in the USA, some of them only work in Canada, some of them only work in the UK. So if you're outside of those areas, these might not work for you. But it's very, very cool how he's put all these things together and what they are. He's got a video that explains it, and basically you just click into the PDF and then you get to go through and get the emergency yeah, it's just a cool, it's a cool little directory for $10. You can't go wrong. Say you need some money, and you can even share your internet access on it. It shows you how to get you can get how to get paid for pet sitting, get paid for data entry, product testing, website testing, all these different things. It shows you exactly how to go do it instead of you having to search all over Google and maybe find something that may or may not work. This is it in one place. So for $10, you can't go wrong. So I'll put the link in the profile down there. It's really that simple. Now, there are some upgrades. I have not gone through all the upgrades. It's 10x profits, AI coach, monthly coaching. What it's probably going to do is show you what I do, which is called affiliate marketing. And how I do affiliate marketing is I create a simple funnel, just a simple sales funnel, and I put an affiliate product behind it. So what that does is I collect an email and then I send them to an offer. And if they buy that offer, I make money. If not, I have their email. I can send them back to that offer. I can send them other offers until they unsubscribe from my list. It's all legitimate. I'm not scraping people's emails. They're voluntarily putting their email in to receive what I'm showing them. How do I get people to put their email in? I make content. I make content like I'm making right now. I mainly make content on Instagram and YouTube in the form of short videos saying, if you do this, you can do this. And by the way, if you want my step-by-step guide, you can do it. So what I've done is I put this together for you, and I will give it to you as a bonus. I will put it into a Warrior Plus so that when you click it, you'll get it. And it will give you the exact funnel. I'm telling you, it's the exact funnel that I use, and show you which is my number one program that I get anywhere from 15 to 30 sales every single day doing. All right, guys. So basically that's all there is to this. It's very, very simple, but very powerful. And for $10, you cannot go wrong. Like I say, for all the upgrades, go through them. If they resonate with you, great. Just click on it and buy it. If it doesn't, then say no thank you, move on to the next thing, and then get into the Members Hub. The cool thing is that you can actually become an affiliate for this, and also introduce it, share it with friends, share it with other people, share it on your social media, and you're able to make commissions by just sharing this Emergency Income Members Hub. All right, guys, that's about it. There's not much more to it. So I think, again, if you're on my YouTube channel for the first time, please click the subscribe button. If you like my videos, like my shorts or anything like that, give a thumbs up. It goes a long way. I'm just about to hit 10,000 followers on here, so that's really cool. And that's it. If you're not following me on Instagram, I have 2 Instagram accounts, Glen Online and Work with Glen. Go over, follow them. You can see all the stuff I do. And guys, you can just really just model my business, like just sort of copy everything I'm doing, and you can have the same success. All right, guys. See you on the next one. Cheers.